friends! Today we will visit Alphabet Town, where all the streets are named from alphabet. Alphabet letters live here, and we will see that each alphabet has its own name, shape and sound. Now we are going to observe the shape and listen to the sound to remember it. So, let's begin the journey. First, let's visit Street A. Here, letter A lives along with the objects that starts with eh, eh, eh. Oh look! Letter A is coming.
I am Mama A. I am called Big A too. Hi, I am Baby A. And I am called Small A. We both say eh, eh, eh.
Eh as in ant, eh as in aeroplane, eh as in X, eh as in alligator, and eh as in apple. Listen to this. Ellie alligator ate an apple. And now say with me. Ellie alligator ate an apple. Now let's move to Street B. It has a beautiful garden too. Letter B lives here. Here is Mama B with Baby B.
Hello, I am Mama B. I am called Big B too. Hey, I am Baby B. And I am called Small B. We both say bah, bah, bah.
Bah as in banana, bah as in ball, bah as in bell, bah as in bear, and bah as in bucket. Listen to this. Bobo Bear bumped the bucket. Now try it. Bobo Bear bumped the bucket. This is Street C. And here is letter C.
Hello, I am Mama C. So I am called Big C. Hi, I am Baby C. And you can call me Small C too. And we both say ka, ka, ka.
Ka as in car, ka as in cat, ka as in cap, ka as in camel, ka as in cake. Try this. Cammy camel cooked cakes. Say again. Cammy camel cooked cakes. Which street is this? Oh yeah, it's Street D. And we can see letter D here.
Hey, I am Mama D. Big D. Hi, I am Baby D. I am called Small D too. We both say da, da, da.
Da as in dog, da as in deer, da as in duck, da as in dinosaur, and da as in doll. Do you know? Danny Dino dressed the doll. Isn't it funny? Then say with me. Danny Dino dressed the doll. Do you know? Here Eskimo lives in Street E. Let's go and meet.
Hey, I am Mama E. I am called Big E too. And I am Baby E. I am also called Small E. We both say eh, eh, eh.
Eh as in Eskimo. Eh as in empty. Eh as in egg. Eh as in elephant. Eh as in engine. Now listen to this. Ellie elephant entered an engine. And say with me. Ellie elephant entered an engine. Now let's go to a farm, and it is there in the street F. Let's look. What is there in the farm?
Hey, I am Mama F. You can call me Big F too. Hello, I am Baby F. I am called Small F. You know, we both say fa, fa, fa.
Fa as in face. Fa as in fan. Fa as in frog. Fa as in fox. And fa as in fish. Listen to this. Fanny Fox fries fish. Say with me. Fanny Fox fries fish.